Hello viewers, welcome to my new video tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to add end screen into your video. To add end screen, you have to log in to your YouTube channel and then you have to go to Video Manager. Click on this Video Manager option. In Video Manager, you have to select your video, in which video you want to add end screen. In my case, I am going to add end screen in this video. Okay, let's enter into this video. In this option, you can see details. In the left side, you can see details and scroll down a little bit. And you can see this editor option. Click on this editor option and you can see your video thumbnail over here, and scroll down a little bit. You can see over here video, audio, end screen. Okay, end screen option. You have to click over here, click, and YouTube will provide you sample end screen format, or you can say this is a template. If you select this one, then you can add only 2 videos. In this template you can add 2 videos and 1 subscribe button, and 2 videos or 1 subscribe button. Also, you can see that a blank template over here. If you select this blank template and apply, click apply, you can see that there is 4 options over here. Okay, after selecting blank template, we have to click on this element option. Click here. If you want to add video, then click a video, or like this video. Okay, here you can see that this is a video button. Now choose your video from here. You can select most recent upload. That means when you upload a new video, then your video will show in this thumbnail. Or best for viewers. Allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit to viewers. YouTube automatically select a video for this end screen template, which YouTube thinks that this is best for the viewers. Or you can choose a video, a specific video. Click over here. I want to add this video, for example, how to convert, how to export PLC program as PDF. Okay, see, here a video has been added over here. You can see, and you can add more element, like I want to add more video like this one element. Okay, and also a subscribe button. I can also add channel or a link. For this video I am going to add subscribe button. Okay, here you can see that my channel logo has appeared over here, and we also can add video over here. After doing this, we have to click on the save button, but I am not going to save this option. I just step backward, and I'm going to click over here again, and editor option, and add end screen. For this time I am going to take this template as my end screen template. Okay, click over here, apply, then this template appears. here you can one video, 2 and subscribe. Click over here and select your video. For instance, I want to, okay, click over here, choose a specific video. Step 7, okay, and this is your, this subscribe button will automatically add into your end screen template. Now we have to click on the save button, okay. Template and end screen has saved. Now we are playing this video to check that our end screen has been added or not into our video. Please wait a bit and see over here that we have 2 videos and 1 subscribe button has added into this video as a end screen template, okay. So friends, if you like my video tutorial, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.